be the author of your own story. This was the name of my keynote speech I just finished for a group of students. We are in Católica University, and my main goal here was to convince a group of students, they are in their master's degree, that starting from today they should collect their stories and they should add their stories to their pitch and the presentations they are going to do along their career. Imagine I'm interviewing you and you say something that it's hilarious, but I don't hear it, I don't see it, I don't see that there's an opportunity for you to tell a story and catch the listener's attention. And that's poor communication if I don't listen to you. And in the beginning, when we are struggling to communicate our ideas, we're like that, we don't listen a lot. So this is, if you have to take something from here, please listen. Don't listen with your empty mind for a minute and then start building from there. In all the contests, you'll need that listening skill. People connect to people, and people connect to normal things of life. So you can have a theory that it's great, but what I've been understanding throughout the years is that people, they relate to small things in life. So when you tell something on the radio, you know that the feedback, what feedback you'll get. When you tell a small story, when you say that you had a fight at home you went to the supermarket, whatever, and people just relate to that because it's human life. So now, lesson number 1 would be, if you want, collect your stories. If you are in a position where you need to talk to public, where you need to have meetings, where you have to lead a team, think about collecting your stories, the days that you had some kind of conflict, where you struggled to be good, but you've learned with it. Collect those stories. Now, number 2 would be categorize those stories. When you have a story, a conflict, when you've learned from it, what would you use that story for? What is the main point, the message that you can reinforce with that story? And then finally, consult the stories you take notes of. Consult I call it a story database that you can have. And when you have a presentation or a communication, a meeting that it's important, think about how you can use some stories in your interaction, and you will gain influence. The people you talk to will take image of your communication, and you'll see the difference, I can assure you. So tell more stories.